College Algebra. So this week is weekly module 10, and we will be covering complex numbers and quadratic equations and functions. So under resources, we have the PowerPoint and a video walkthrough of our lessons and more links to the websites that contains extra practice and some more explanation. All right, so for this week's assignment, we have our discussion board, kind of math puzzle, and weekly module 10 assignment. So we have 2.4, 2.5, and also 5.1. And both of these are due by Sunday, 11:59 EST by November 8th. And I'm gonna have to go back and change that. All right, and that's all. Thanks.